Hi everyone, today we're going to do a demonstration of this new Trionic A2Z disinfecting dry mist system. This is the machine here in front of us. This is a brand new technology and enables a high level disinfectant to be dispersed through the air in the form of a dry mist. This allows it to be used as part of a disinfection protocol in something as small as a vehicle, like a paramedic vehicle or emergency vehicle, through to an examination room, all the way up through to an operating theatre, which may be something like 120 cubic metres in volume. The machine has many programs available to it to allow it to operate at different times to allow the dry mist to permeate through the atmosphere and make sure it disinfects all surfaces that it contacts. So let's have a look at the machine first then before we demonstrate it. As you can see out on the table, when you buy the unit, obviously the unit itself will come fully boxed and packaged. In addition to that, we have a belt timer which allows the operator to go away remotely from the room being treated and have a warning when he or she needs to return to the room to turn the unit off. In addition, we have full operating instructions, both to use the unit in a variety of situations and in demonstration mode, warranty card to cover the full 12 months warranty the unit has, and also a poster which can be placed outside the room in question or the vehicle, just to warn other people that there is an automatic disinfection process in operation. So that's obviously what will come with the unit in the box. In addition to that, of course, the unit uses liquid. So we sell the active solution in these bottles. You'll get 12 of these bottles in a case, and of course they're essential to actually use the machine. What we'll do now is take you through the setting up process of how to set the machine up, start the machine going on a demonstration to let you see how easy it is effectively, and how it is easy for one person alone to manage this sort of hygiene control protocol. So first of all then, we need to take the bottle of product. Again, for demonstration purposes, this is just water in here because we'll be in the room when the machine is going. So first of all, take the cap off and of course put the bottle down. In the rear of the machine, which is where this bottle will sit, you'll find this dip tube. To remove this, we press this here, which allows this tube to be detached. We place the tube in the bottle, screw it in, and we push this back in, place the bottle here, allow the feed tube to come in. There the machine is loaded with liquid. Obviously here the power cord is already going off to the mains. This unit is mains operated, but obviously has a step down transformer here. So the operating voltage of the machine itself is very low. So next stage, we turn the machine on at power. That will mean the machine will self-calibrate. The noise you can hear is the machine checking its internal integrity. We get a symbol C on the display showing the machine is calibrating. When it goes to 0, the machine is self-calibrated and it's now ready to operate. Operation is as simple as selecting a cycle by pressing this grey button. We're just going to put it on the lowest cycle, cycle 1, which is the shortest one. All we do is press the button, number 1 comes up. That means the cycle is selected, the machine is on. We will now press the start stop button and the machine will start the operation. The first operation is that the machine draws liquid from the bottle into the tank inside, which is where the mist is created. You can see that that unit is working and the liquid is going down as it's drawn into the internal tank. I'll just turn the machine back round. The machine beeps every 30 seconds throughout its operating cycle to indicate that it's actually working correctly. And very soon when the liquid has gone into the internal tank, you will hear, perhaps on this video, some noises as the liquid is circulating within the unit to generate the dry mist. Very soon the unit will start to generate a dry mist. I just move the unit slightly more around. We'll wait a few seconds for it to start. So as you see, the machine's kicked into life, and possibly with this black card you can see that the mist is coming out of the machine and is being propelled through this opening nozzle by a fan which is located in the body of the machine up here. Because this is only dry mist of water, obviously we'll stay in the room and tell you a little bit about the machine itself. So as you've seen, the machine has a fast action in terms of setting up. It also has a fast action in terms of the different cycle treatment times it can cope with, which are between 12 and 99 minutes long, depending on the room volume. The maximum volume is about 120 cubic meters, which would be the equivalent of a hospital operating room, down to a cycle time of less than 30 minutes for doing a complete internal of an emergency vehicle such as an ambulance. The dry mist, which you may or may not be able to see clearly coming out, comprises particles of between 2 and 8 microns in diameter. This ensures a total coating of all surfaces and equipment without any wetting, and so no surface damage would result. Other systems on the market are certainly not able to create such small or reproducible particle sizes. If we again use this black card and certainly pass it in front of the mist coming out, you can probably see that there is actually no wetting even at that very close proximity to where the maximum mist is coming. It almost immediately dissipates into the atmosphere, and so you really can't see anything at all. So really you've seen the operating nature of the machine, and really the demonstration is complete. So we will now stop the machine, and it's as simple as pressing the red button. The machine itself will now return any unused liquid from its internal tank into the bottle we placed in the back of it. This means that the liquid is pushed back into the dispensing bottle, which retains the integrity of the closed system of the machine. So if we come round to the front of the machine again, as it's completing that emptying process, when that is complete, the machine will just hold in a ready state, or we can turn it off. So I think we've demonstrated that as part of either a planned preventative infection control protocol, or for use as a part of an identified outbreak, this unit has got the ease, the speed and the flexibility to cope with anything. We think it's a pretty good machine.